Welcome to a new show where all we talk about is the paranormal and we do actual investigations, yes. Meet Norbert Bernacci and Joel Arsenal.
Dude, taking a shit, man.
Sandra Pitt. And together they are CHALEUR Activity. It's activity. Okay then, welcome. Welcome to Paranormal Activity. CHALEUR Activity. Okay then, welcome to CHALEUR Activity. Never mind. Just go on with the show. Alright, just roll the show.
I'm joking. For the video.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of CHALEUR Activity. Tonight we're going to look after for the
WoodPeckerLecter.
The hell is that?
It's a guy that died 30 years ago. Sorry, he died of a clan of woodpeckers. They somehow manslaughtered him.
Woodpeckers?
Yeah, I don't know. That's what Old Man Winkles told me.
Old Man Winkles?
Yeah, met him at the bar.
And who are you?
Hi, I'm Sebastian.
The fuck you doing here?
Am I lost?
Well, you want to come and join us?
I guess so, yeah.
I'm
ready.
Well, what the hell's the deal with the freaking guns?
What do you mean? What's wrong with guns?
This is an investigation for paranormal. An actual hunt.
Okay.
That's better. So, and tonight we got with us. Where is she? Here. Sandra.
Put it in my ass.
Put it in your ass.
Huh?
The fuck? Alright, let's go look for a WoodPeckerLecter. Just found this app and we'll see if it works.
That's some technological shit.
Yeah. See. WoodPeckerLecter, are you around here? WoodPeckerLecter, are you here? Huh? You hear that? Yeah. What the fuck, like? Wait, where the hell? Wait, let me try another app.
Man, the thing is dead.
No, it's not.
The spotlight is dead.
No, it's not. Okay.
You don't have the magical touch, Joel, okay?
Where's it? Dudes, let's go.
Oh, what?
What did you, Joel? You don't have the magical touch. Shut up.
Yeah. Now we're gonna try an app. It's thermal, and we're gonna try it out. So here's your spot. Here's the camera, man.
There's Joel. Give me my pistol. Give me my pistol.
Now I'm gonna scan this way. The fuck was that?
You see that?
Shit! What the fuck? Let's go!
Get the gun. What the fuck is it?
The fuck it
What
go?
was that?
I don't know.
Put the gun away, man. Sorry.
Put the gun away, man.
Jeez. I'm telling you, people with guns, I'm telling you.
Fuck was that? Dude, where does this trail go to?
I don't know, man.
Let's go see. The hell's that rumbling? Dude, is this... What the fuck? The swing's moving by itself, man. The fuck? Why does it move by itself? Go where? Sorry, I farted.
Oh, okay. Carry on.
Carry on. Okay, where are we going now? Spot cam.
Oh man, look, leftover clothes from our victim.
Oh, blurry. Damn.
Tree's broken, man. Look at the tree.
Awesome. Well, it's nice looking at trees, but we're here for WoodPeckerLecter. Right now, me and Sandra, we're gonna go that way, and Joel and Sebastian are gonna go that way.
Let's kill this motherfucker.
It's not a motherfucker, man.
Oh.
Oh, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna use some more stuff, the thermal and other thingy wingies, and they're gonna go with the night vision on that side. What the fuck? They're gonna go on that side, see what they can find. So, let's go. Ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Ready? So.
Picking your nose?
What?
Come on.
Okay, so we'll meet up back here in a half an hour. Let's go. Okay, Sandra, let's test this out. Okay. So, I'm gonna switch it to thermal. Ah. Don't see anything yet. Don't see anything yet. The hell? Let's go look over here. Sandra, is that you?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure. Okay. Man, that's freaky. Very freaky. So the trail is over here. And you can see nothing. Wow, leaves are hot. Okay, so I go this way. Ooh, that's a tree.
Alright, Sebastian, you ready for this, man?
Yes, man.
Let's go catch this fucking demon.
Let's get it.
Alright, man. You go first. I'll be right back of you, alright? With the camera.
Good idea.
Alright. Okay. You won't see shit, but I will.
See that?
What? Oh man, look at that.
Oh my god.
See that? Looks like a fucking dick. Oh my god, see that?
Do you know what that is?
What?
That's the sound of the WoodPeckerLecter.
The WoodPeckerLecter, are you sure?
I'm pretty sure, man.
How do you know about that?
Look at it, man.
It's in the shape of a dick.
Pretty much.
Alright, man, let's continue exploring, see if we can find anything.
Okay.
Let's go. Alright, you just continue walking. I'm just gonna take a quick piss here.
Huh? What?
Man.
No. Are you filming it, man?
What?
No.
What? I need to
Don't.
piss, man.
Don't.
Alright.
Dude, we don't want to see that baby little piece in there.
What do you say? Oh, smack your ass. Alright, man. Let's just continue off then. Did you hear that? You hear that, man?
Yeah?
What? You hear that over there? What was that, man?
It stopped. Did you ever notice again?
Oh shit! Is it coming after? Is it coming closer?
I don't know. Do you see it? Fucking, do you see the eyes?
See the eyes over there?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Go run.
Grab the camera, man. Grab the camera. Record this shit. See that shit, man? That shit was so crazy, man. I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Okay, right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually go our separate ways. After we did our team, me and Sandra and Joel and Sebas. So now we're gonna go our separate ways and see what's going to happen.
Hope it goes well.
The fuck?
Okay, okay.
Okay, alright, let's go. Right now I'm gonna go by where the swing set was, and that's where I set up a static camera, and we're gonna go see what I can find. So I'm gonna go. Oh, sorry, I just farted. Yeah, I have no clue where I'm going. I think it's this way. Where the hell am I? Oh, it's over there. Anybody here?
I'm Sebastian, and right now I'm going to the last known place that they seen the WoodPeckerLecter, or the last known spot that we know. WoodPeckerLecter, are you here?
Hey guys, this is Joel here. So they think we're gonna do the individual investigation. Well, I don't believe in that shit, so I'm just gonna, hang around, maybe take a piss, just be myself and wait. Oh shit, there's a tree. See, I can't see shit in darkness. I don't know why I'm on the even fucking team. Oh well, let's just go take a piss.
I don't believe in investigating. I'm just gonna fucking take another piss here. Yeah. What the fuck? Call that a stream? Oh my god! What the fuck? Where's it coming from? What the fuck? The fuck? I'm getting out. I'm getting out of here. Fuck that shit.
I lost my glasses. Where are they? Oh. I guess I'll try and find myself somewhere to hide for now. Oh, there's a little cabin. Let's see what this leads. Where's everyone? They left me all alone.
Where's Sandra?
What?
Where's Sandra?
I don't know, man.
Oh, crap.
Oh man, let's just drink our beer, man.
I hope you guys like this episode of CHALEUR Activity. We finally found Sandra. We didn't catch anything tonight, so hopefully next time we can catch something and actually have some kind of conclusive evidence. So how was your experience tonight?
Mine was pretty good. I mean, somehow I was pissing a lot, but I mean, besides that, it was pretty good. Too bad we didn't catch anything like unparticular.
Yeah, in particular. How do you like it?
Mine was pissy.
You're pissy. How about yours?
It was pretty good there.
More in the frame.
No.
How was yours?
It was pretty good there.
All right.
No.
Shut up. You shut up. Thank you for watching CHALEUR Activity. Next episode, we're going to have fun. Well, not actually have fun, but we're going to investigate something else. I don't know what the hell we're going to investigate, but we're going to find out. Call someone. I don't know what the hell. So thank you for watching CHALEUR Activity. From me, Joel, Sandra, and Sebastien. Get you later.
See you later, guys.
Get out of my way.
Don't like us on YouTube.
Ooh, look at this tree. Oh, what the fuck?
timing though, because je restais là, tu regardes à terre.
Faire ça, va faire moi, Sandra, toi, Joël.
Sébastien Xo dans la rue sur Joël.
Okay, where are we filming? Over there?
Bon, ouais, j'ai filmé ici.
Why don't rate Robot Lab?
WoodPeckerLecter was here.
That's a sign of WoodPeckerLecter.
That's his footprint.
Non, c'est ça.
Sébastien, pourquoi tu filmer ça?
Ok.
Oh my god, Sebastian, look at the dick.
Marche pas ici, là.
Bon, on va faire ça là.
Man, it's just like piss.
Mine tastes pretty fine. How about yours?
Not good.
Oh, man.
You guys are bitches.
That really carrot tastes like shit.
Ouais. Mais là.
No.
You? Pookie? Pookie. Man, that's freaky. Very freaky.